I'm back. Sorry. This is now called Call on the Magic, and this costs 159. You can find it at there's a box. There's a big box there, and it's in SM. So we're going to unbox it right now.
Shoot it.
Here. Here's the front of the box. Here's the back of the box. Now we're going to open it. Now we finally opened it. Then we're going to take one. And look how you show it. It looks like... And now you can find this at a box, and there's two of these. A dinosaur and a dragon. And now, if you want to buy from your own, go to SM. And don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, click the thumbs up, and press the bell down here.
You try to wear the rings on your fingers.
You can wear these from your own. If you have a brother or sister, you can sleep with it, do everything what you have. You can easily play with it. Don't forget, bye! Hi, we're back, and don't forget to subscribe, press at the bell, and press the thumbs up, press the subscriber button, and update Mommy's channel. Watch her video.